welcome or welcome back to my channel. So for this video I am going to be doing a transformation slash get ready with me slash hair tutorial slash makeup tutorial slash 0 to 100. You guys are going to watch me transform. I wanted to do a hair tutorial for you guys and also just include a makeup look. So I'm going to be doing like a side swoop high bun type of look. So right now I'm working with an old twist out. I suggest that you work with an old stretched hairstyle. The first time I did it, I was doing it on an old flexi rod set. Work with it. My hair is pretty dry. Yes, so spritz it with some water. Take my Felicia Leatherwood brush just to brush out this part so that my hair can brush down easily. Action and part it. Okay, yes, I need to be able to comb the back, so I'm going to add a little bit of my Garnier Fructis leave-in conditioner, something light, just to give my hair some moisture. I look crazy. Okay. Yeah, just for some moisture in the back and so that I can comb through my hair. Now I'm just going to really spritz down the perimeter of my hair, everything that I did not separate. So
directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting.
Extreme. We taking the extreme gel where we are overloading.
I dated in Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out I was making $10 million.
In the back. So now we have to swoop this part. But basically I'm doing this in increments. All right, so now we're going to take out this portion again and then add everything all together. Y'all already know I need to use some sprays. All right, so now the hair is settling, so I'm gonna move on to makeup. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna use the Carity palette, and I'm going in with this color called Enchant, and I'm gonna do that in the crease. Now I think I'm gonna try to use this color from MAC, and this is called Trienal Wave. I'm going to pack on the lid with this Phantom. I'm gonna use the color Wicked, but I'm being super light with it. Okay, I'm highlighting with my Morphe, what color is this? Mirage. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. My edges are done. I have lashes on, lip gloss, everything is done. I sprayed my face, and I actually really like the way how this came out. Yeah, comment down below, let me know what you guys think of this look. Yeah, I changed my shirt. I put on a white shirt because I felt like it would bounce off my skin better with the blue eyeshadow and stuff. So happy about that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think of this look down below in the comments, and if you're going to try to recreate it. Comment down below any videos that you would like to see from me in the future, and I'll be sure to get those done for you. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.